Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Kia Sportage here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic safety brake on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure you have the ignition turned on, and then come down to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, you want to press setup, then go to vehicle, then forward safety. Then here we have active assist. So if you have cars in front of you and they start braking and you don't brake in time, the car will automatically brake for you to save any accidents. Or if you want to turn that off, because sometimes it's too sensitive, you can turn it off there. Or you can have warning only, so it'll warn you when there's a car in front of you and it's braking, but it won't brake for you. So once you've done that, just press back and then that's saved.